Well, hello there, Linda Borky from Farmyard. And you, my friends, are just one seed away. I am doing this live video from my laptop, and this is the first time I'm doing it from my laptop and not on my phone. So I'm a little, it's a little different, I'll tell you that much. But, I have a clean belly. I am so happy to have a clean belly. And because I have a clean belly, I want to tell everybody about it. I really do. Because I'm the kind of person that if it really benefits me an awful lot, I want to spread the word. I do that with water, I do that with food. But this, my friends, this is big. Now, Monsanto, the producer of Roundup, which is a weed killer, right, that we've been putting on our land in this country since 1995, what it's doing, it's killing all the bacteria in our gut. And if you have your urine tested, I mean, you don't have to, but if you have your urine tested, you're going to have that weed killer in your belly. You will. Guaranteed. So, a friend of mine from France, Sephora, calls me about 5, 6 weeks ago, and she said, Linda, do you know that Purium, that's a company, that's just a company, has put out a product that will remove 74% of the Roundup in your belly in 6 weeks. Well, I tell you, she had my total attention. And me, and I've been eating really clean food for a really long time. I only drink alkaline ionized water out of my Magic machine. I mean, I'm aware of this stuff, right? So I'm pretty clean, but I sent my urine in to get tested. I'm still waiting for the results to come back, but my belly was swollen. It was inflamed. Now, you could tell the difference in your body, something that's swollen versus something that's fat, right? It's different. It's puffy. You touch it and it's sore and it's tender. And my belly was swollen. Well, I started taking these pills, right? And within 4 days, my stomach felt so much better, but it was half the size. Now, this is a 6-week cleanse, and I'm in week 4, and I have been struggling with my knees. I mean, my knees have been swollen. My knees have been hurting forever. But as of late, I've been feeling like a really old lady, having to go down the stairs, not one foot in front of the other because my knees, they were swollen. They were like sausages. And I would ice them, and I'm taking all different types of things to reduce the inflammation. Well, guess what? My knees are better. I mean, my knees are now my knees. And God have mercy, to get your knees back. Well, so I just want to let everyone know about this certain pill that you could take, and I'll put the link in I guess in the above my head, in the comments there. You could go to a website that I've started because I'm so excited about this. It's called afitbelly.com. Our bellies are our brains. They're even connecting Parkinson's disease to a bad gut. And that is what the Roundup is getting into. It's not getting in our bloodstream. It's not getting in our cells. It is going in the sugarmate pathways of the bacteria in our gut. And it's in the air. It's in everything. It's in the air. It's in the water. It's in the food. So I want you guys to know that. I mean, gosh. What was it, a month ago? A groundskeeper was awarded $289 million in a lawsuit against Monsanto. But 3 weeks before that, I published a podcast, and that podcast was entitled, Do You Know You're Feeding Your Child Weed Killer for Breakfast? Because that's what it is with Cheerios. They tested the foods. They tested certain foods. The Detox Project, Food Democracy Now! I am 63 years old, and I have been at this particular gig for a hell of a long time. But this is the first time I could come to the table with a real solution for everyone. Every single one, whether you're farming your yard or not, whether you're buying all organic food or not. What you want to do is you want to clean out the inside, clean out your belly. So I hope this is beneficial. I'm so happy to have my knees back. Thank you very much for listening, and I will catch you on the flip side. But until then, go farm that yard.